So thou hast dozed off in thy first day of AP Chemistry, because thou didn't listen to thy mom when she said to practice sleeping air yesterday. But now what shalt thou do? The path forth is unclear. Lesson 1.1 Moles and molar mass. A mole is a standard unit of measurement that represents 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd of aught. Moles are really important since they're used for chemical equations and stoichiometry, and thou can solve a great deal of questions by only using moles. But oftentimes the question requires thou to convert from moles to mass, particles, or volume, so here's how thou dost proceed. For a moles to mass conversion, take this problem as an example. Aloysius have 10 moles of carbon. What is the mass of the sample in grams? Thus, to solve this problem, consider what element the sample is composed of. The element is carbon, so consult thy reference table to check the atomic mass of carbon, which is 12 grams per mole. Now, multiply the number of moles by the atomic mass to find the mass of the sample. 10 moles times 12 grams per mole equals 120 grams. We may also ascertain that the unit for this value is grams through dimensional analysis. The mole unit doth cancel, leaving naught but grams. For moles to particles conversion, let us delve into this matter. Bartholomew possesseth 10 moles of carbon. How many particles doth this sample consist of? Take Avogadro's number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles per mole. Multiply Avogadro's number by the number of moles of carbon. Once again, the units doth cancel, leaving particles as the sole unit. For moles to volume conversion, consider this query. Caesar doth possess 10 moles of carbon. The temperature of the sample is 273 degrees Kelvin, and the pressure is 1 atmosphere. What be the volume of this sample? At first glance, the details of temperature and pressure may seem but trifling matters, yet in reality, they are of the utmost importance. 273 degrees Kelvin and 1 atmosphere are in truth the units for STP, which stand for standard temperature and pressure. At these precise conditions, 1 mole is equivalent to 22.4 liters. Thus, take that number of moles and multiply it by 22.4 liters per mole. And with that, thou hast found thy answer.
Hope this video helps. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Stay tuned for more.